Some of the customers struggle to have a precise placement. After analyzing the situation, I came to the conclusion that the problem was an imprecise calibration of the offset between the camera and the two nozzle tips. As we have seen in the video general calibration, link in the description, there is a precise nozzle offset calibration procedure, the one involving the paper disc. But if not well executed, it may give worse results than a standard calibration. There is a better way to achieve precision. It consists of manually seeing what the offset is, after performing a nozzle tip calibration and correcting the offset in the setting for the nozzles. Let's see how this is done. First of all, we perform a calibration of the nozzle tips. We want that openPNP takes into account what the eccentricity of the nozzle tips is, so it can compensate for it. It is better to perform the procedure with the two tips you are going to use. If you need to swap to smaller nozzle tips, perform the procedure with the smallest. I'm going to use 504 and 504B. So let's calibrate them. This is the result of the calibration. Let's calibrate the tip 504B. If you want to visually check the calibration on the tip, just turn on the LED. And as always, click on Apply. Now let's check the primary fiducial, and then we will put N1 on the primary. N1X offset is just a little bit out. The Y offset is just perfect. Let's check N2. The X offset is completely out. The Y offset is perfect. So we'll fix N2X offset. We move the tip manually till it is centered on the primary fiducial. Let's move up N2 of a few tenths. Then we move the tip, incrementing the X value. And we notice that the X offset needs to be increased by 0.2. We correct the X offset. Pay attention. Having set a new value for the offset, we'll delete the calibration for the nozzle tip. We can verify this in the setting. We click again on the calibration tab for the two tips, and we can see that the status now is uncalibrated. Here is where some people get wrong. They check the result of the new set offset without performing again a calibration of the tips. So before checking the result of our offset adjustment, we must again perform a calibration of the tips. Now we check again the primary fiducial. Okay, and we put N2 on the primary fiducial. Very well, the calibration is perfect.